The Office of the Commissioner of Persons with Disabilities, in collaboration with the State Resource Centre for Disability Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, organized a special felicitation ceremony to honour 8 prime entrepreneurs from the disabled community. Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh attended the event as the chief guest, while Camellia Doreen Lingwa, Director of the Social Welfare Department, Government of Meghalaya, was the guest of honour. A key highlight of the ceremony was the launch of the Yes to Access app, designed to support persons with disabilities by enhancing accessibility and inclusion.
App that is Yes to Access app. The Yes to Access. The Yes to Access app is like that, and those who will be enrolled, and after that the social audit will be start from here like this. You can see Avesha start audit. After that the location will be come directly through GPRS, and we will write here the what is the name of the place. The name of place is the art and culture. So I will be write here, type here, no? And culture auditorium, which is already coming here, department. Okay, so it will be selected, and then additional commerce, the location of the type, which type of building is this, like a residential and health office or the office building. Okay, then start audit, it will be do it like that. It is loading.
Yes to access.
Yes to access. Yeah. Now the parking area. The parking area, it means the art and culture department parking area. So 4 things will be here: the parking, tactiles, proximity, and clear signage. It will become like that. It will come like that. Like if we are going for audit, parking area, parking space, it will become like that. One camera will be here. We'll click here. Then we can go through the parking. At least this is parking area, and we will click a photo like that. The photo is coming, right? Confirm. After that it will come. Is there is a parking space? Yes or no? Yes, parking space is here, and after that submit this one. Yeah. See, it will be loading. Yes. Now parking space is clear.
Be a leader in crafting unique and practical items from cloth farming allowing for fun memories. Inspire creativity and elevate personal and professional skills. That seamlessly blends functionality with exceptional design.
And the meaning of the word minister as a verb is to attend to the needs of others. To minister to someone means to attend to the need of others. So it's not just a privilege, it's not just about power, it's not just as is very common parlance these days to say high level, but it is nothing to do with high level, it is serving, catering, and going down to the grassroots to find out what are the needs and to cater to those needs. So I think apart from everything else, I would like to take this name and the office of the minister keeping that verb in mind, to tend to the needs of others. One of the greatest human beings who ever walked the face of this earth, Mother Teresa, had said that the greatest affliction that confronts humanity is not cholera, is not tuberculosis, but it is the sense of not being wanted. And it is our responsibility as a government. A lot of government officers, in fact, have this tendency to think that government would mean the 12 members of the ministry of the government of Meghalaya, forgetting that they themselves are also part, parcel, and co-traveler in this entire journey, the yatra that we have to take this state forward. I'm amused that sometimes even members belonging to staff in the state secretariat think of government as people who occupy chambers as cabinet ministers. But government belongs to each one of you